Good morning, students. Welcome to Sakar Group Tuition online video lecture. Dear students, in a previous video lecture, we have already completed our first sum. In this sum, you have to see two different variable x and y we have given. Using this data, we have find r by using Carl-Pearson method. Now, in this video lecture, we have calculate secondary the same kind of the sum. But before we starting the calculation, first we have understanding which kind of the data or the question we have given. Look at it. In the second example, we have to say again, find correlation coefficient by KP method. In a previous calculation, we have understanding what is a KP method. KP method का मतलब आपको समझना है कार्ल पियर्सन मेथड से आपको एक बार फिर से कैलकुलेशन करनी है. Again, you have to say the question is given in a two different kind of the concept. Like first is marks of accountancy. Second concept is given marks of statistic. But in this calculation, we have understanding that every time the first data is given which we taken as variable x, second data is given which we taken as variable y. So we have avoided mark of accountancy, mark of statistic. Now we have believed that we gives a two different kind of the variables value. First is x and second is y. Now listen, be careful. When the question is given, data is always be gives in a horizontally form. But whenever you starting the calculation, our first responsibility that in a vertically form data is to be settled, and after then calculation will be started. So now we have heading title is that find correlation coefficient. And now first both the variable are be written down in a vertically form. So variable x value 45, 25, 40, 20 and 45. Only the 5 observations we have given. Listen be carefully. Second thing is y variable, the value of y 47, 23, 17, 35 and 48. After preparing both these value in a vertical heads of the form, first we have find both these mean because of product moment formula is always be depend on the mean. You have to notice in a previous lecture. So now we have find x bar and y bar. To find out both these mean, first we have taken the additional value of x and y. Look at here. The additional value of x, that is called sigma x, is 175. And the second, that is called sigma y, additional of y value, that is 170. Okay. Now we have find both the mean by using the previous formula. X bar equal to sigma x upon n. So 175 divided by number of observation 5. Answer is 35. Y bar is sigma y upon n. 170 divided by 5. Answer is 35. Okay. Now you have to say that our both mean are the outcome with the perfect number. So again in this question we have using the previous formula, that is r equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided under root sigma x minus x bar square multiply second root sigma y minus y bar square. But now you notice that if you want to using this formula, we have needed three different types of the value which we putting here. But these are the values are be not given into directly. So first we have find these three value which we needed in this formula. But you notice that for this three value, you have to preparing a 5 different types of the column beside variable x and y. So our first preparation column is x minus x bar. Now, whenever you prepare x minus x bar, you have taken the difference between variable x and x bar. Look at here. These are the values are be called as x, and here you have to find your x bar. So 45 minus 30 answer is 10. 25 minus 35 answer is minus 10. Now the next different is like 5 minus 50 and 10. अब ये सारी वैल्यूएशन को आपने ऐड करना है. So additional of this column is become the sigma x minus x bar. It is called as sum of deviation from the mean, and we have noticed in the previous lecture that a sum of deviation mean is always be 0. Look at here, the result is additional values become 0. Now the next column is beside x minus x bar, same way y minus y bar. For this column we have taken the difference between value of y and y bar. Here are y value, here is y bar. So 47 minus 34, answer is 13. 23 minus 34, answer is minus 11. The next one, minus 17, 1 and 14. Again you have taken the additional value of the same column and the result is same. It is also be 0. After preparing individual x minus x bar and y minus y bar column, we have taken the multiplication from both this column, which is a next column, that is called x minus x bar into y minus y bar. 10 into 30, so 130. Minus minus plus, so 10 into 11, 110. Plus minus minus, 5 into 70, minus 85. Next is minus 50, 140. Now look at it. After preparing this column, we have taken the additional value of this column. That is become sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar. So plus minus, answer final is outcome to 80, which is called the value of sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar. After preparing the third one column, now we have needed the square types of the value. So previous next two column become like this way, x minus x bar whole square and y minus y bar whole square. For this column, we have taken the square values of x minus x bar. Look at here, 10 square 100, minus 10 square 100, 5 square 25, minus 15 square 225 and 10 to 100. Okay, after taken this column, we have taken now additional value. The addition of this column is become 550, which is called sigma x minus x bar square. And the last and final column, we have preparing y minus y bar square. From the here, we have taken the square root of y square 13 square 169 minus 11 square 121. After that minus 70 square is 289. After next one and next is 196. Preparing this column, we have taken the additional value which is called sigma y minus y bar square. Okay, these are the 5 columns we have to need to define the formula. After now completing this 5 column, we have taken 3 values which is putting here. First is sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar, that is taken from here 280 numerator में जाएगा. After that denominator sigma x minus x bar whole square, that is 550 अंडर रूट में लिखोगे आप 550 मल्टीप्लाई सेकेंड अंडर रूट में वैल्यू आएगी 776. मैंने पहले ही बताया ऊपर की वैल्यूएशन को जैसे वैसे आपको लिखना है. The same kind of the value is putting down in the next step 280, but in a denominator first directly आपको रूट नहीं निकालना है. First we have taken the multiplication of both this value. The answer is come out, which we have taken its root. So 550 multiplies 776. Or one text of the answer is come out. For which answer we have taken the under root, and so we getting the under root answer 653.30. Now 280 divided by 653.30, answer is 0.43. That is called the correlation coefficient. Here you have to see that the R between x and y is positively. So we have written down a positive relationship is seen between marks of accountancy and marks of statistics. Okay, this is the first types of the formula which we using in a first 2 calculation. From the next video lecture, we have using another types of the formula. Okay.